Technology is being developed at breakneck speeds, as is the need for top technical talent. Rising salary costs and a competitive talent landscape are significant challenges to fast-growing organizations. So what options do companies have today to address such a challenge without breaking the budget? To fill that need, U.S. companies started looking nearshore. The demand for top technical talent from Latin America is exploding, and while there are many great vendors to choose from, the challenge remains the same. High costs, no transparency from the vendor regarding talent salaries, their profit margins, employee benefits, taxes paid on the selected resource, and more. Today, companies want to work with accountable service providers that operate with low risk. Sure, many online platforms already present curated and vetted talent from Latin America, but those platforms are designed to profit from each hired resource, and there are no guarantees that the employee is getting paid an industry fair wage or access to healthcare benefits. So how can fast-growing businesses tap into nearshore talent with total transparency on costs with service legal accountability in a single system to build self-managed technical teams at a touch of a button? We invite you to check out the first nearshore IT staff augmentation platform that taps into 2.6 million technical profiles aligned by proprietary human-centered AI for greater accuracy and, most of all, the velocity to stay ahead of the curve. Please go to the link below for free access to the system and a demo of how the process works in seconds. Build your mission with TeamStation.